Here's a Python memory trap that catches even experienced developers off guard. When you assign attributes inside init using self, Python stores them in the object's own dict. That's _dict. Every instance gets its own private dictionary in a completely separate memory location. Inspect it yourself. Print a _dict, and you'll see only that object's data. 3 users, 3 separate dictionaries. No sharing whatsoever. Class attributes work differently. Defined at the class body level, outside any method, they live in the class's own dict, not inside each instance. Every instance shares this single copy. Define species as human on a person class, and Python stores that value exactly once. All instances read from the same memory location. 0 duplication. This has 2 practical implications. First, memory. With thousands of objects, class attributes are far more efficient. 1 value stored once versus 1 copy per instance. Second, lookup order. When you access an attribute, Python checks the instance's dict first. If it's not there, it walks up to the class's dict, following the method resolution order. That's why an instance attribute with the same name will silently shadow a class attribute. The instance wins. Instance dict holds per object data in separate memory. Class dict is shared once across all instances. Python always checks instance first. Keep this in mind for memory-efficient design. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.